Welcome to MST School of Trading. Dear traders, our MST iCore indicator is working for all the markets in all the condition and all the situation. Now let me show you the three types of trading what we are having in our MST iCore indicator. Apart from these three types, there are many other types also. But basically we are trading in NSE market in three types. What are the three types? The first type is by trading for the next day. Today we can analyze what will be the market of tomorrow. So tomorrow what will be the supply zone, what will be the demand zone, where to enter, where to exit, everything will be knowing in advance, that is one day before. How to do that? I will explain you. The next method will be after the market is open for the today's market at 9:15. So we will be getting top zone and bottom zone, and based on the bottom zone and top zone we will be trading. And third method would be for the office going people, that we call it as known market trade or lunch trade or lunch market trade. Okay, now let me show you with the default settings how to add the default setting. Go to the indicator settings. At the bottom left side you can see reset settings, that you click. After that, since we are trading Nifty and Bank Nifty and all, we have to keep the stop loss to tiny to and tiny to target. That's all, nothing else we have to do. I will just run the market using bar replay option so that you will understand how to enter, how not to enter. So now this is today's market, that is 28th October 2025. I'm running the market. Assume that market has just opened. Market has just opened and some 5 to 6 candles have formed. And we got our sell zone and supply zone. What is the sell zone? 26,037 and 26,066. That is the stop loss. The red line will be the stop loss for the sell entry. Similarly, for the bottom zone, the first blue line will be the entry and second red line will be the stop loss. If SL hit, the red line will become the entry line and blue line will become the stop loss. Okay, make it clear. Now we can go, you can take the strike prices, you can add to the watch list. After having formed this zone, you can add the strike prices to the watch list. So 26,000 put option or 26,100 put option or 26,200 put option, whichever you want, that you can take. Similarly, if the market is coming down first at 25,000, what number? 25,898 is there. So nearby strike price would be 25,900 call option or 25,800 call option or 25,700 call option or 26,000 call option. It depends on your capital. So now market is running. We are not going to any trade unless it reaches either to top zone or bottom zone. So now what has happened? Sell zone has reached. Once sell zone is reached, we will not be taking the trade blindly. Actually, we can trade blindly since most of the people are scared to take the sell entry when the market is going upside. So what we thought, we let us wait for one red candle to close below our sell zone and low of that candle is broken. Then third step would be at retracement of 50% of the breaking candle, we can go for the sell entry, that we decided and we are following. Okay, now no candle has closed below the entry. See, this candle has closed below our zone, but preferably the body should be bigger towards the downside. So that is the preferable, or maximum of the body should be closed below the sell zone. So now what happened? This candle has closed below our zone at 9:36. Once the low is broken, where low is broken, here it is not broken. So now this candle will become invalid and this will be the current valid candle, that is 9:38 candle. In the next candle, the low is broken. So what we will be doing? We will be waiting for retracement of 50% to this candle. So 26,036, 26,030. So around 26,030 we will be 30 to 35 will be going for the sell entry, put option buying. So here we got the entry again. Here we got the entry again at 9:42. Since sell got activated, what we are supposed to do? Go to the settings again, enable the sell targets, also enable second buy targets. Why to enable second buy targets? If SL hit, we have to go for the reversal entry. How can we go for the reversal entry? a candle should close above the red line, second buy entry, and high of that candle should be broken. Then only you can go for the second buy. How to exit? A candle should close above the red line. If it is closed, we can exit. We should not wait for more loss. Either you wait for a candle close in spot, Nifty spot, otherwise keep 20-point stop loss or 15-point stop loss. Whichever is lesser, you have to keep. Don't give more loss to the market, take more profit from the market. This is the only way we can survive in the market. This we call it as risk management. We should be ready to give 5 rupees to gain 15 rupees from the market. We should not be ready to give 15 rupees to gain 5 rupees from the market. Okay, always keep this in your mind. This is very difficult to follow, but we have no other option, we have to follow. So now the cell got activated and first target has been hit, second target has been hit, and waiting for third target also hit. So now at this junction, if you want to know where the market will go if this trend is continuing, for that only we have given extra targets. Yes, MST iCore extra target 4 to 6. Since cell got activated, enable here cell, that's all. So now automatically we will be getting extra 6 targets, extra 3 targets. Again market is running, fourth target done, fifth target also done, and waiting for the sixth target. Market has not yet reached. It is stagnated at the fifth target, and the reason might be, and at the sixth target our buy zone may be there. I will also enable that buy zone and show you. See here, exactly our buy zone is there. But what we are telling, if buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy until SL hit. Only if SL hit, we can go for the reversal entry. If you are an aggressive trader, then you can take risk with one lot. So now buy got activated and the stop loss is bottom side. But this trade is invalid. Okay, only one trade per day. If SL hit, only we have to go for the reversal entry. If buy activated, there is no sell. If sell activated, there is no buy. So I am removing that. I'm telling the reason why it is struggling there, because there is a support. There is a support zone. To break the support zone, we need more power from the seller. So now it is coming down to sixth target. Hope it is clear. An exact entry we got, and exactly it is nearing to our sixth target. Okay, so this is the default method settings. The next one will be, I told you, tomorrow's market can be predicted in today itself. For that, what you have to do, go to the MST iCore market type and select NSE tomorrow and reduce stop loss to tiny 2, target also tiny 2. So now you see what happened. At this candle 9:15, 9:16 is a rejection candle and 9:17 is the confirmation candle. So here what happened, low is broken. At the retracement of 50%, we can go for the sell entry, and here we got the sell entry and first target has been hit. I will show you how that first target is hit. See here, at 9:17 we got the confirmation, and immediately at 9:20 first target hit, once again retracement, entry given, again target hit. Third time what happened, this candle has not closed below the zone, so we will not be going for the third entry. If you are waiting with the first entry itself, then where to exit? Oh, yeah, let one candle to close above the zone, above the second buy entry, then only we can go for the second buy. Otherwise you have to wait in the first sell itself. 1 minute, I will put charger. Okay, now the second buy is not valid, the first sell only valid. So the sell is keep on continuing and all the targets has been hit. And what is the third method? The third method is for the lunch time trading, that is for office going people. Again go to the MST iCore market type, select the noon market, reduce the stop loss to tiny 2, target also tiny 2. So see what has happened. Yesterday's noon market trade is continuing. Yesterday's noon market trade was sell activated here, now today at morning itself and all the targets hit. And today market has opened where? At our buy zone. From buy zone to sell zone, from sell zone to buy zone, all the targets hit. And second sell also activated and market is continuing to fall more. And yesterday what happened? Yesterday buy got activated. Yesterday buy got activated and all the targets hit. So this is how we have to trade. It is very easiest method. And let me show you how to do positional trading using MST iTrend indicator. For positional trading, go to the indicator settings and keep in 30 minutes time frame. What minute? 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes time frame, in Diwali, after Diwali, we got sell got activated and all the targets hit till our buy zone. Again, buy got activated, from buy zone to sell zone, all the targets hit. So this is with the 30 minutes time frame. If we keep in 1 day time frame, what has happened, you can see here 24,371 buy entry and high made 26,104. How many points? 1,700 points. Again, now the market is at a resistance zone. From here we have to sell. Actually entry starts from when the low of this candle is broken. After the retracement of 50% only we have to take. So this candle low is not yet broken. Okay, you have to wait. Let us see this closing price. This candle closing price 891. Okay, that low is broken. Now we can go for the reversal entry with the stop loss of the red line. So now today market is falling because already technically as per our indicator the Nifty is at supply zone. Nifty is at supply zone. That is the reason it is falling. There may be some supporting news also that we are not bothering about. We are purely based on the technical analysis, that too with the help of our indicator. Hope this is clear. If you have any doubts, please feel free to contact us at the given number 9500009154. If you have recently subscribed, we will be giving this MST iTrend indicator only for 5 years plan subscribers. We are not giving this indicator to anybody else except the people who are subscribing for 5 years and above. That is up to lifetime. And less than 5 years we are not giving. And we will be giving only MST iCore indicator. Only MST iCore indicator. That too, in MST iCore indicator, as I told you, there are 3 methods we can follow. But you have to follow only one method, that is the default settings method, for minimum 3 months. For minimum 3 months you have to follow only default settings. Hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, please watch this video again and again and all your doubts will be cleared. If at all if you are having any doubts, please WhatsApp us your queries. We will be happy to assist you. And if you want any live demo in the sense after subscription, live training, let us know. We will assign a trainer and he will be training you on one-to-one basis. He will clear all your doubts, and before connecting with us, please note down all your doubts so that all your queries will be answered. Thank you all. Bye bye. All the best.